This is the HJ Servo Consistency Tester, which we've got hooked up to the Arduino just to provide 5-volt power. We've also connected an SG90 micro servo to test. The HJ tester comes with 3 modes. When you power it up, it's in the first mode, which allows you to manually control the position of the servo by adjusting this potentiometer. The pulse width of the corresponding position is showing on the display. The second mode for the HJ tester will move the servo to the center position, so a pulse width of 1500 microseconds. The third mode allows the tester to sweep the servo from its minimum position to maximum position. You can use the potentiometer to adjust the speed of the sweep. The pulse width button on the HJ Servo Consistency Tester allows you to swap between the various frequencies available. So you've got 50 Hz, 125 Hz and 250 Hz.